Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to do name drop on iOS 17. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, let me tell you that what is name drop. Name drop is a feature that you can share contacts between two mobile phones through a specific feature. This is called name drop. Okay guys, so how can you do that guys? First of all, you have to open phone app and just simply you have to create the card for that contact which you want to share to other mobile. Like this, just simply you have to tap on that. If you want to share this contact, just simply you have to create the poster for this one. After creating the poster guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page. Now after that guys, you have to remove the case from both of the devices. Let me tell you that you have to create the poster to the other device also. So after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the setting. First of all, you have to make sure that you have turned off aeroplane mode, and also make sure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is turned on the both devices. Once it's done for you guys, just simply you have to hold your both devices as this way and you can easily share contacts. You can easily do name drop. Okay guys, so that's pretty much for today video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.